Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. The Lego Friends Organic Farm, 826 pieces in this set. We get 4 mini dolls. Love the look of this. It is focusing on fresh fruit and veg and other food produce. Let's turn it around and see what we get. So many cute little builds. I really love this set. Now I was lucky enough to pick this up in Kmart for $79, so I was really happy about that. And let's take a look what we get inside, because retailing is $140, so it's quite expensive. Let's see. I think it's 7 numbered packets. The instruction book has plastic around it so it protects it, and we got 1 sticker sheet. Oh, I like the stickers on that. Got a little home sweet home mat. Alrighty, we are going to start building. We have Priyanka here, beautiful white shorts and yellow shoes and a coral knotted front shirt. I really like that, and that hairpiece is just amazing. The printing on the back is cool with the little swirls. And next is River. Love his laced up boots there and his flannelette shirt. He is smiling here. Pop his headpiece on, but I've just noticed the printing on this is a little bit dodgy looking. It's not printed properly. I do like it, don't like the print. And here is Henrietta, the Chookie, and she has laid this little tiny egg. This is the start of the little chicken house. So Henrietta's house. We only get 1 chicken in this set, and she is a very busy chook because she's been laying a lot of eggs. This little contraption here, later on you'll see, you turn the dial like I was and the little eggs are supposed to fall out. So we'll take a look at that after, and I'll just continue building the little house. Popping the little eggs in, so Henrietta's been busy laying those 3 eggs, and I've turned the dial and they will fall out. Hopefully they don't crack. Now is the little tractor. This is a little exhaust pipe for the tractor. Love how that is put there on the side, but it's an electric tractor, it doesn't really need it. I guess it's just to make it look cute. I love that the tractor is purple, like a typical Friends themed colour. Just makes the tractor pop. And now the big tyres on there. Oh, this is really cute. I love how this is built compared to the city set that I have also, because that came with a tractor. I actually prefer this one, probably because of the colours. Here's the little trailer that's going to go on the back of the tractor, and we're going to fill it up with fresh produce from the farm. So throw that cherry back in there. On goes River, and we're off to bag 2. Marcel the farmer is next. Love his dungarees or overalls that he's wearing. He's got the same head and hair. Okay, the printing on this is really good. and he apparently has hurt his hand climbing the ladder while trying to get the apples off the tree. So off he hobbles off, and I'll be building a little sign here because he will be selling lots of his produce, so his eggs, jam and apples and other things he grows on his farm. This is the apple tree, and I really like that every set we get is a different type of build of a tree, so you get to learn all new building techniques, and I like the look of this tree. I'm happy that they were generous with the amount of apples we received. Normally you only get 1 or 2 apples, so this is a very colourful and fruitful tree. Priyanka's going to come along. She's trying to pick some apples, and we'll pop that little butterfly up there. We have this beautiful black horse here. Need to make its belly, and I need to take it out because I want to put the saddle on now, because you get a saddle and it's a bit tricky to get off. I'll need to use my brick separator. There we go. I love that its tail is like squishy and moves, and I always get stuck putting these things on the reins. Pop it on. There we go. Love that horse. And we have Mia. We've seen this outfit before. I do really like it. There's her riding hat, and she's got her hair in a ponytail. But I want her to wear this hat, the fedora hat with her long flowing hair. I love her with that hat. Let's start the farmhouse now. So it's not a 16 by 16 plate there. I really do like the front of it. And what really struck me with this set is the roof. I love the different coloured roof tiles on there. So let's continue on, and the neutral colours too. It's a little bit toned down compared to a normal Friends set. But I like the pops of colour. We've got a detailed sticker there with all horse accessories. And now the teal window frames, and I'll continue building. This is the little semi-outside kitchen area. We've got a little first aid box there, little oven cooking a cupcake, and there will be a stovetop here and a little sink. The horse is very lucky in this set. It takes up most of the room in this house. So it's got like a little water trough there, lots of hay. I really like we get a set of stairs that go up to the room upstairs. This part here is just to add some extra room to the house, and it's the little cats area. So it's sort of inside outside feel with this little country home. Let's join it together. And I love that arch there. I really like this. I do like the colour scheme of this house. This here is for the barn doors so they can swing open, and we need to make 4 of these. And I've just popped on some magenta tiles there. There's the extra pop of colour. Upstairs here is the only real enclosed room of the house, so it's Marcel's bedroom with a little fireplace. Here's the little fireplace, and just popping in some slope pieces to make it look like fire. It's going to look cute. I do like that they included a little fireplace. And with the roof tiles also, I really like that it's different colours. So the green makes it look like there's moss growing on the roof. Makes it feel like an old feel, I guess. Here's a printed wooden tile. Oh, I like that. So we've got a little wooden plank on the roof because we get a hammer in this set. So I'm guessing Mia and Marcel fix the roof for any leaks and boards that go missing. And that's where the little bed is going to go. So here's the little bed, and I love the bed sheets. I really love this teal colour, and we get a little blanket there and a little book to put on the bed. And this nice pillow, and doing the little knobby bits for the bed. In it goes. That is looking cute. Love the little sticker for the front door. Just gives it an extra touch, and the home sweet home little doormat. That is so cute. And more of those roof tiles there going up. Roofing slopes in the different colours. And I do love all the arched pieces in there to add extra detailing for the roof on the inside. Another wooden plank's gonna go on here to make it look like we've been fixing the roof. This farm has a few modern upgrades with a solar panel there, and the little chimney here. I love the little puffs of smoke that are going to come out here. It's just so cute, little ice creams, puffs of smoke. This here is a little winch, and we're going to have some rope, and we're going to attach a little bucket of water. And this bit's a little bit tricky, I found, because the rope, well, the little string gets in the way. So you actually have to push it all the way through like that, okay? Popping in some window shutters here for the country feel, And these bits here will be holding this, the string of party lights. So LED party lights going in. This is a really cool farm to stay on. We've got some pot plants here, and they will be hanging up on the little clips I put in before. So up they go here. Oh, that's such a cute touch. And there's that bucket of water because Marcel needs water for his bedroom. Now the cute little kitty stand for the cute little kitty country cat. I love that they don't use the same building techniques for everything, that they change it up for all the sets. And now we've got a table with lots of cakes and pies. Let's pop it all in. And we need some veggies cooking on the stove and a fresh egg. This is the little outdoor dining table that everyone can sit on and enjoy the fresh country produce from the farm. This is the very tall A-frame ladder here. This is to pick apples with, because the tree's quite high up, and to fix the leaking roof. All the builds are finished now. Time to pop everyone in. The horse, there's Mia, there's the little selling stand there, Priyanka's there. Marcel's fallen over under the tree, or he's sleeping, and there's the tractor. Priyanka's got the first aid kit out because Marcel has hurt his hand. Mia's doing some cooking in the kitchen while the horse steals an apple. Here are all the little builds from the farm, and everyone's busy doing their jobs. The Lego Friends Organic Farm set, great set. Love all the little builds in it. That tractor's awesome. The tree's really well built. Love the colour scheme of the actual farmhouse. It's got lots going for it apart from the price tag. If you can pick up this set discounted, then it is definitely a set worth getting. Full retail for it, there's just not enough included and not enough mini dolls. But otherwise, definitely worth getting. So everyone, get your bricks out.